I was always convinced that for making great wines, you need to have a live soil. And I started to read the book of Rudolf Steiner in 2002, and it was like a revelation. And we start with Richard Planas and Gilles de Baudus at Sigalus Estate with 5 acres. And then year after year, we convert all the estates, the 16 estates, to the biodynamic principle. That means now we have close to 2,000 acres converted to the biodynamic agriculture.
I was very surprised to see how quick was the effect on the vineyard. First, we noticed the difference in the microbiology of the soil that altered the vegetative growth and development of the vines. And 2 or 3 years later, we start to see changes in our wines.
La pratique de la biodynamie sur plusieurs années a eu des bienfaits visibles sur le fonctionnement du sol, sur le comportement du végétal, l'évolution des maturités et un impact extrêmement profitable sur l'équilibre des vins, notamment en termes de fraîcheur, d'acidité perçue dans la dégustation, beaucoup d'élégance.
Quand on a commencé l'aventure il y a 20 ans, je me suis dit Gérard est fou. Et il nous a convaincus que c'était possible. Ce qu'on retrouve, c'est plus de fraîcheur, d'acidité, et sur les rouges, plus de finesse et d'élégance.
Coming here and learning about working with biodynamics show me the true meaning of identity of terroir. When we test wine, I can feel how each wine is absolutely unique. And as Gérard said, these are wines that taste of somewhere and not of something.
The sense of place, Charmian, that's really what we want to deliver. And of course, like today with the Clodora, all the plots are there. Our job is to try to find the perfect balance. And we work hour after hours in order to try to discover, and it takes time. Sometimes we do it in one session, but very often we need to come back one more time, 2 more times in order to reveal the sense of place. And this is really the add value of the company. Making great blends make really the difference.
Our Grand Vin are the fullest expression of a terroir, and all we are here to do is to reveal this terroir, making tiny adjustments here and there to bring out its full potential. All these biodynamic practices, which respect the plant and the environment, are also an expertise that we develop in our vineyards. This is important for us to pass on to our partners in a virtuous circle and help these techniques to become standard practice.
Our wines are certified by 6 different labels: conversion to organic farming label, the organic agriculture label, wine with no added sulfites, vegan, bee friendly, and to finish Demeter, the international label of biodynamic agriculture.
A dozen years ago, we gained the support of wine growers to promote and encourage the expansion of organic farming in our region. We started by establishing long-term partnership with growers. We were very happy to change the management practices, and for those who already switched to organic, we help them to go above and beyond.
My role at Gérard Bertrand is to sow ideas in the wine growers' mind so they germinate and spread far and wide.
La maison Gérard Bertrand a été le facteur déclenchant. Ça nous a permis de pouvoir nous confronter à l'agriculture biologique et de nous faire évoluer positivement et de nous faire réussir le challenge en fait. C'est un vrai challenge, je suis très fière de tenir le domaine depuis 10 ans et le tenir en agriculture biologique, oui bien sûr, mais c'est plus que de la fierté, c'est à mon avis, il n'y a pas d'autre façon.
J'étais en échec avant de passer en bio, en échec parce que je me rendais compte que j'avais des actions qui détruisaient plutôt que de créer. Donc quand la société Gérard Bertrand a proposé donc, aux vignerons de la cave de Souvignergue d'être labellisé Bee Friendly, on a tous adhéré à la démarche parce qu'on pense que c'est un plus par rapport à nos démarches aujourd'hui de bio. La démarche, c'est de protéger encore plus par rapport à la biodiversité et par rapport à ce qui entoure nos parcelles.
Le partenariat, c'est surtout un échange de savoir, un échange d'expertise. C'est une assurance pour nous,
C'est une assurance d'avoir la vente de nos vins à un prix juste. La collaboration, elle est quasi journalière. On va ensemble voir les parcelles. On vinifie aussi ensemble. Il envoie des techniciens qui aident nos techniciens à nous à vinifier.
At Heracles Winery, we work with 70 wine growers to produce wine without sulfites. Together, we have perfected a method for producing healthier wine without added sulfites that can travel around the world without losing their incredible taste of fruit.
We have a climate and environment ideal for organic farming. Wind is the best treatment, and the sun shines for over 320 days a year. We have also well-draining soil, allows the vine to express all the majesty, all the full power of the potential of south of France.
To reveal the terroir, we need to have living soil. That's why we use organic and biodynamic principles. 350 people are involved in this program, and our ambition is to spread out in the world the message of the diversity of the terroir and the excellence of the wine from the south of France.